welcome everybody. This is David at Senso, and we are here together with Gina and Justin. Hi guys. And Jake and Peanut. The whole family is here. What a lovely place. And compliments how it all turned out. What drove the design of this project specifically?
We were really trying to, with the mid-century modern genre that it was to add, turn the volume up a little bit on the modern.
So in terms of Senso, what drove that decision over other options?
Oh, yeah. Well, so one of the main things, like, this house isn't straight, so it has a lot of lines. I think we wanted like a real seamless, but natural look. The thing I really like about wood is the softer material. There's always concrete, but concrete cracks, and then it doesn't have that soft, natural feel.
When I come in here, it's like almost a tranquility feeling, a very soft ambience to the space.
I think it's definitely helped, the medium that you created, that inside-outside look we've already got in. Again, it just provides that seamless kind of transition.
Yeah.
But in a modern way.
Yeah.
And I just feel like it also has a kind of real resonance with the ocean, because it's come from there really. With our architect, Horst, he was always saying how you can pull the ocean in.
And also what I like is the fact that we incorporate a little bit of mother of pearl to get that shimmer back from the ocean. I know you guys like to host. You have a lot of friends here in Laguna. And how does it live?
Really well, surprisingly. Yeah. It has such a clean finish. You'd expect to see every single thing, but surprisingly you don't.
We had a little story that we will share with you. There was a flood in the bathroom. I don't know how it even happened. We couldn't find a place to cut off the water. So literally there's about this much water on this floor which had just been done. So we managed to dry it all and get it, and it's just so impregnable.
How important was the sustainability part?
Yeah, I think for me, like most of the things I brought in, it could be have a natural feel or be like organic in some way. Like it just gives a feeling, I guess, I think is the best way to describe it, that you just feel much better when you're around natural products. I think more than anything, it was the softness for me. That you can get a lot of natural stone, but it feels too like hard, like not like a full.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that softness really, an organic feel was something it was hard to find until we saw.
Yeah, sure.
And I also feel this is non-toxic. Wasn't such a big thing for everyone not really paying attention to the old way we build stuff. But you get all the benefits of it. And it's more resilient, it doesn't crack, those things. But it feeds into this inside-outside and this natural, connection to nature and the ocean.
I mean, there's got to be a reason why you guys ended up here, being so close to the ocean, but also surrounded by green. I think it's worth preserving and enjoying for future generations as well. What moment confirmed for you guys you made the right choice with this product?
Well, I think honestly, like the second we saw the transition, it was just remarkably different to not have, for me, that cleanness with no lines just simplified everything.
It's interesting, it's the step before for me when we were at your showroom and we were customizing it, because that for me was the real opportunity, because it's not like, well, this is the product and, take your pick from this shade or color. It's like, well, what do you want it? Do you want a terrazzo? No, that's fine, we can start with that, but we can now really do things.
Well, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure, an absolute blast working with you. And we feel very proud to be part of this beautiful project. And once again, congratulations with how it all turned out. Thank you.
Thanks, David. Yeah, we really enjoyed working with you.
Yeah, thank you as well.